guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is officially our first day in Italy and we're going to the Duomo. I'm so excited to show you everything I'm gonna be doing on this trip. So without further ado, let's get into it. This view is absolutely insane. Like, look how beautiful it is. It's starting to rain and we have a walking tour reservation at 11:30. Right now it's 11:20. We ended up missing our tour, so now we're just gonna get food. This is the place we're eating at. We're literally the first people here. This is like a museum with neon. The statues are so cool. After doing some retail therapy, I did a lot of damage to my wallet, but here's what we got. So first, I went to the Florence exclusive Brandy Melville location, and I got this really cute silver Italian charm bracelet. And then I also got one of their exclusive sweatshirts, and it has a little graphic of the bridge that we went on today. I also went to Zara and got this really cute red button-up cardigan. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. Today we're going to take a day trip to Pisa and it's currently raining outside. Today is also Christmas Eve. stray cat.
Then you will see that there are kiosks also.
We're gonna take some pictures right now. Hey guys, welcome back to day 3 of our Italy trip, and also Merry Christmas. Today is kind of different because since it's Christmas, every shop is like closed and all our original activities got canceled. So we're still gonna take our train to Rome from Florence, and that's gonna be around 3:30 p.m. So let's get into it.